How far would you fight with the society to follow your dreams? Well, a few youngsters in the city have beaten all odds to become fashion designers. Here's a report. Meet these youngsters. Like many others, they too are dreamers. They dream of a successful future. They dream to live life in harmony. But unlike others, their path hasn't been easy. They have had to be brave to accept the unfair world that sidelines them. All because they are specially abled children. But hold on, before you feel sympathetic, let us tell you that this is not the intention of this report. These youngsters don't need your sympathy. Instead, they want to present to you their very own line of clothes called Vastra Abharna. The amazing collection has been painstakingly created after months of hard work. And this incredible tale of breaking norms of the society and living life on one's terms was directed by one lady.
So it's called Vastra Abharan, and people who have bought this brand say that they feel good here. Why is that? Let me ask the lady who's actually brought together this brand, Vastra Abharan, Shubha. Shubha, tell me what makes this brand special and who are the people behind this brand apart from you?
Vastra Baran, we have staged this brand. It's made by children, teachers, and mothers of Bandhavya.
Okay.
It is to make people aware of an issue. It is to make bring awareness about special education, special children, and things like that.
Okay. So Vastra Bharan is a brand which is being created not just by Shubha, but also by special children. Now that's amazing to know that special children have actually created a brand for themselves.
Yes.
These are children which are actually sidelined by the society by saying they need special schools, they need special attention, but they're doing something special by actually creating a brand, which is fabulous. What is the work which has gone behind this brand? I mean, how are the children actually contributing to your brand every single day?
See, every child is unique and every child has lot of potential which is unnoticed and unrecognized by parents as well as this society. They can do wonders, they can do many beautiful things, they are very creative by nature, and they have to every day, instead of the boring schooling curriculum, they want to express themselves, they want some outlet, they have lot of hidden talents. So we train them, we as a team with my teachers who are very creative also. We teach them, we train them, we help them to manufacture few things which will empower them as well as my school. That is how the Vastra Brand was started. We all started making workshop, making tying, dyeing, bandhanis, involving artists, calling people, and then finally the finished products are on display now, and now we want the society to notice this, take a look at this, walk into my school, participate, support and promote this product and the brand. Thereby it will help my children as well as my school.
Wow, I can't wait to meet these young fashion designers who have created this brand called Vastra Bharan, who have made this brand so popular. Let's go and meet these special fashion designers who can actually change the way we dress.
Being specially abled never stopped these kids from achieving their dreams. It has always been the society, including parents, who felt they never stood a chance in the competitive world. But with the help of volunteers at Bandhavya, these children who were low on self-confidence came out in the open with their dreams of fashion.
Well, I'm having the privilege of standing with some young fashion designers who have created the brand called Vastra Bharan, and these people are really, really awesome. And let me ask this young fashion designer, tell me what you like about fashion and what made you so interested in clothes.
I like very much
Very
fashion.
much? Yeah?
Fashion design.
Really? Superb. Now while making these designs, what goes through your mind? I have to make it like this, I have to make it like that. What is your idea, like what is your creativity like? What do you think while making these clothes? Nothing.
Nothing.
Just make it.
No, just made.
Just make it because you like fashion.
Yeah.
Superb, yeah. And if you actually see a collection, it's fabulous. It can put any upcoming fashion designer to shame.
And pleasantly, there were many takers for these fashionable clothes.
I like buying here. See, like buying wherever, whether the showroom or wherever, you're buying and you're satisfied, that's another thing. Buying here is something like helping this institute.
Okay.
And that is more satisfaction for me. I have seen myself, children's doing all this painting and other things.
Okay.
So I would like to buy here, and I have shopped so many things. And again today I'm coming from past 1 week.
Okay.
Every day I'm coming and buying one or the other one.
This is the first time I'm coming to this exhibition,
Okay.
and I find things are very good here. The saris, the prints, and everything.
Okay.
So I purchased a few clothes and other things. The work what they have done is very beautiful.
Okay.
So I'll be coming back again.
From dancing, painting to fashion and much more, these youngsters have indeed touched our hearts. It only goes on to show that nothing is impossible. Vivek Vinayak, News 9, Bengaluru.